What is up guys, Westside Gamer here, today we're unboxing an iPad Pro sleeve case for the iPad Pro. Without further ado, go ahead and get started. So a company sent this out to me, right? Don't know how to say the exact name of it, so that's the name of the company, so it's TOOVREN, so I'll just say TOOVREN. Shout out to them for sending this case out to me. But this case looks sick though, because look, it's that leather look to it. This presentation is really nice as well, as you can see. This like envelope case, and you can actually kind of feel the texture of the case before you actually get to see the case itself. So very simple presentation, which is really good. Kind of opens up like an envelope. I'm going to slide this case out. This is a sleeve case by the company, right? This case actually has multiple functions to it. So as well as a sleeve case, right, to put your iPad Pro in, it can actually work as a stand as well. When you want to do some drawing on your iPad, you can have it in landscape mode, you can have it in portrait mode, and it actually will hold your iPad up, which is really sick that is, and it'll hold your pencil in there as well. Now this is sick because it has multiple functions to it. Because a sleeve case, right, normally you don't really get this function with it, but with this you get the function with it and it looks really sick. Here is my iPad Pro 12.9 edition, so this is the 2017 model. Let's put this in like so, put it in this way. And there is some clearance on the top right over there. So that's what the iPad looks like in there. Really nice, kind of really tucked in nicely in there, so it's not going to slip out or anything like that. So that's really good, that is. Now I actually do have the Apple Pencil as well. So I'll just slot this in here. See how this looks? Just slots in just like that. So that is so sick, that is. Now this is a must have for any like iPad owner. Like everything just slots in so nicely, it does. The pencil slots in and everything like that. I got fed up of the hard shell cases for the iPad because the corners kept them chipping and breaking of them. And that means my iPad wasn't protected because something could easily damage the corner of my iPad and things like that. So I wasn't feeling that a lot. So I'm really happy that this case fully protects it. Everything's in there like tightly, it's not slipping out as you can see right there, and it actually works as a tablet stand as well. So that is really sick, that is. This case actually comes in different colors and actually comes in different sizes, so depending on what iPad you have, you can actually order that size. It comes in a 2018 model of the iPad Pro 12.9 edition. It comes in a 10.5 edition of the iPad. I'm sure it comes in the 11-inch edition. If you're interested in this case, I'll leave a link in the description down below, and you guys can check it out. You can choose whatever iPad model you have, whatever color you want, and you can have all these features in this case, right? The small effective package this case offers. And now it is on Amazon Prime, so with Amazon Prime you also get that 1-day shipping and it'll come ASAP, right? With me, it came same day delivery, so the service was amazing. The packaging of the product was really good. The delivery time for the parcel was really good as well, so it came really quickly. And all in all, I'm really impressed with all the features, because as I said, I like cases that give you more features in it and everything like that, so that's really good, that is. That's pretty much it, the unboxing video of the TOOVREN iPad Pro sleeve case. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Leave a like if you like this video over here, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll catch you guys next time.